Hey everyone! In this video, I'm going to show you how to cancel a Klarna order. Let's get into it. First, open the app and find your orders. The first step is to get into the app where you do your shopping and find the list of things you have bought recently. You need to see all your purchases before you can pick the one you want to stop. Open the app or the site and click on the Purchases or Orders button at the navigation bar. Look through the list until you find the specific store and the items you want to cancel. Because Klarna needs to know which specific box or payment you are talking about, you have to find the right order so the system can show you the specific buttons for that store. Without this step, you would just be looking at a blank screen and wouldn't be able to tell the app which items you changed your mind about. Next, choose the order and look for the Cancel button. You need to open the details of that specific purchase to see what your choices are for stopping it. Click on the order you want to stop and look at the top right of the screen. Look for a button that says Cancel Order in the list of choices. Because every store has different rules for stopping a shipment. By clicking on the order, you are telling the system to check the rules. It ensures you are looking at the right tools to either stop the payment or tell the store you don't want the items anymore. You will need to give a simple reason for why you are canceling so the computer can process your request. Pick a reason from the list, such as change my mind or bought by mistake. Click the button to confirm your choice and move to the final screen. By picking a reason, you are helping Klarna move the paperwork through the system faster. It is the key step to getting the right output and making sure your money is handled correctly by the bank. And that's it. I hope this helped you out, and I see you in the next one.